Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Kia remote key fob. What we need to do is split the two halves of the case open to access the key fob battery. We're going to do that by getting a large flat-headed screwdriver like this one and place it in the indentation at the bottom of the key fob and just twist it, which breaks the two halves of the case open, like so. And there is your key fob battery. Very carefully remove the circuit board from its housing, like so. So you've just got better access to remove the battery. And we just slide it out, just like so, out of its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we just simply slide it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing upwards towards you so we know it's in its correct location, and we just pop it back together. Pop the clasp back on, and then we get the other half of the case. Make sure it all lines up. And there you go, click it in place and it's all done.